So welcome, it's Susan. Today I'm doing a pseudo swipe and just going to show you what's in my cupboard. I'm using Arteza Paints today. This one is Scarlet Red. I have Orange Red. I have Ultramarine Blue. Orange Yellow. It's a little blurry. Why is it so blurry? Violet. Neon Pink. And Indian Yellow. I might add some gold that I've already had mixed up from before. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it. So my pouring medium is Beauty Tone Designer Series Silk Clear Base. Sure it's in view. That's my paint, my untinted paint. And I'm trying Color Pour Glossy Varnish to mix with it. You can get this at Walmart. I ran out of my Josanya, so I'm going to try this. This is my pillow, Gldden Premium Interior Satin White. That's in a different container. And of course my cell activator, I'm using black today. And I use the Australian Floetrol. So I'm using this it's not a canvas, it's a board. I'm not sure what they're called. Anyway, it's 8 by 10. I'm using this today. And I'm going to mix my paints and I'll be back. Okay, so this is going to be a pseudo resin swipe inspired by Sheleeart. Okay, I'm going to start with the base coat. And I just primed this board with some just some regular acrylic paint thinned with water. I didn't use gesso. So I'm going to be putting the cell activator on this here. And then I'm going to be laying my cardboard over top of it. Oops. But first of all, I am going to spread this around just to blend the colors a little bit. Okay. Actually, I didn't do it like that. You know what? I don't think I'm going to do that, because I did it before without doing that, and I really like the result, so I'll try it again. All right. Okay, where am I going to swipe? I've got some on my cardboard here. Oh no, shoot. I just got some white on my black, so I'm gonna have to try and get that off. Okay. Okay, so I am gonna almost did it again. I'm gonna have to dump that part off, or I'm gonna swipe over it again. It's a small little white swipe right here I'm gonna do. Gonna go this way. I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to go to this corner. Just let it drip over the edge until it just holds onto the edge. Then let's stop it. And I'm going to go back. back this way just to bring it back in here so it evens it all out again. And then which way should I go? I'm going to try going this way. It's over the edge now. I'll stop in it. And I'm going to just bring it back. Thought I had too much paint on here, but it's moving slow, so I guess I didn't. I really like this area here. I don't want to lose it. I'll probably lose that. That's okay. Okay, it's over the edge. So now I'm going to I'm just going to bring it back this way again until I like what I see. I think that's looking okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe just a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's it. It's not really moving much more than this, so I'm just going to put it down. Oops. Wipe off my hand. Okay, there it is. Lots of cells. Lots and lots. Lots of lacing. Okay. I'm going to let this dry, and I will show you at the end of the video the results. See you soon. Hello, I'm back with dried results. It dried really nice and smooth. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Colors are really vibrant. Doesn't quite show it in the video, but in real, they're beautiful. I like how it fades a bit at the edges. And then also, I'm going to try and lift it here without making noise. I like how the edges turned out too. Maybe I'll turn it right. Turned out really nice. Okay, so there it is, and I guess I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye for now.